Hello students, in this session you are going to study about the contract of agency, which is a continuation from the last session. In the last session we studied about the rights of agent. In this session you are going to study about the duties of agent. The duties of agent are duty to carry out the work undertaken according to principal's instruction. Under section 211 of the Indian Contract Act, an agent is bound to conduct the business of his principal according to the express instructions given by the principal. In the absence of express instructions from the principal, the agent must act according to the customs and usage of the trade prevailing in the same kind of business at the place where he conduct the business for the principal. Second one, duty to carry out the work with reasonable care, skill and diligence. As per section 212 of the Indian Contract Act, an agent must carry out his work with reasonable care, skill and diligence. Unless the principal has notice of the agent's want of skill, that is, the agent is expected to conduct the business of agency with as much care, skill and diligence as it taken by persons in similar business. Third one, duty to render proper accounts to the principal. Under section 213 of Indian Contract Act, an agent must keep the and render proper accounts of the business of agency to his principal on demand or periodically as agreed upon. He must also explain the entries therein to the principal and support those entries by vouchers when necessary. Fourth one, duty to communicate with the principal in case of default. As per section 214 of Indian Contract Act, in cases of difficulty, an agent must communicate with the principal and obtain his instruction. Fifth one, duty not to deal on his own account in the agency business. Under section 215 and 216 of the Indian Contract Act, an agent must not deal on his own account in the business of agency without obtaining the consent of the principal and acquainting him with all material facts on the subject which have come to his knowledge in the course of agency business. Sixth one, duty to pay all sums received in the course of agency business to the principal. Under section 217 of Indian Contract Act, an agent is bound to pay to the principal all sums received by him on principal's account. Seventh, duty not to set up an adverse title to the goods of the principal. An agent must not set up an adverse title to the goods of the principal in his hands as an agent. That is, an agent must not set up his own title or title of any third party to the goods of the principal in his hands as an agent. Eighth, duty not to make any secret profit from agency. As per section 218 of the Indian Contract Act, an agent stands in fiduciary relation to his principal. So, he must not make any secret profit for himself from the business of agency. If he makes any secret profit or accepts illegal gratification from a third party in the agency business, he must hand over the same to the principal. Duty not to delegate authority. Under section 190 of the Contract Act, except in the case of exceptional cases, an agent must not delegate to another the work which he has undertaken to do personally. Duty not to disclose confidential information obtained in the course of agency to others. An agent must not disclose confidential information supplied to him by the principal to the others. Again, he must not use the information obtained by him in the course of the agency against the principal. He must pass on such information to the principal. Duty not to put himself in a position where his duty to the principal conflict. An agent must not put himself in a position where his duty to the principal conflicts with his own personal interest. In short, he should always act in the interest of the principal. Last one, duty to protect and preserve the interest of the principal on the termination of agency by death or insanity of the principal. Under Section 209 of the Indian Contract Act, on the termination of the agency by death or insanity of the principal, the agent is bound to take on behalf of the representatives of the deceased or insane principal all reasonable steps for the protection and preservation of the interest entrusted to him. Thank you.